Yes, sis. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're interested on getting this look, I call this my Nicki Minaj ponytail slay, then stay tuned.
Dip too hard, gotta dip too hard. They gon' fuck around and drown off the way. Pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid. Bad little vibe, keep up on my.
So I'm going to be starting here with a blowout. You can also do this on stretched hair. I just didn't have time. So I'm going to be spraying just a little bit of water and adding a little bit of gel. I don't want it to revert back too much, even though that is kind of hard as a natural girl. And you're going to just comb that up or brush that up into a ponytail. And you can either make one big twist or actually split it into two twists. The hair that I bought was actually pre-feathered, which is really great. And surprisingly, it was really soft. I was actually a little shocked. It is yucky hair, so you know. Ow. You just take 2 packs or more. I could have used a 3rd pack, which I did have, but I don't know why I didn't use it. And I'm just showing you how to loop around the scrunchie, attach it to the bun, flip it over, and then set it exactly how you want it to lay. I'm actually going to be bunning mine up so I can finish off the front. I don't like to add too much gel in the beginning because I do this part at the end when I'm doing my baby hairs. So first I'm going to just take some Got To Be glue, put it on the edges. My Design Essentials Edge Control, I love this thing. Like, it's amazing for my hair because my edges don't ever want to lay down. And basically, you know, get a good amount on there. And then, of course, take a fine-tooth comb and lay and slay your edges, girl. Doing your edges is seriously like an art. So I go over them again with the Got To Be glue. Don't use too much of this because it is a little cakey and flaky. And then I also, you know, just touch it up with my little baby handy dandy toothbrush. Ooh, sis. So fixing that up. And then I like to tie my scarf around and blow dry it. That's really what sets my hair. If you're interested in some more hair videos, then please let me know in the comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do upload weekly and I don't want you guys to miss out.